I'm sorry if I seem uninterested or I'm not listening or I'm in.
Hey guys, so I wanted to come and make a video on how I film my videos. I use my iPhone for just about everything. These lights are new. Usually I just use daylight when I can get it, and I just open up the window and open up the blinds and make that work. But these lights are new. I got these two box lights, soft box lights, and I got them off eBay. I'll link them in the description box. This tripod is new. I just got this off eBay too. That ring light came from eBay, and back there is my mirror, and I use that so that way I can see myself. And that's why it's on a chair. And yeah, this is really all I do. I'll insert a video on what my new setup looks like. You can see from my older videos where I'm using sunlight how everything looks, but this is mainly it. I just sit in this chair right here with my curtains because it's basically like a backdrop for me. In the future, or pretty soon, I'm going to get something else to put up here, or get a stand to put up here, but right now this is what I use. I got a new tripod mainly because of like my cooking videos, so that way I can be able to put the phone on the tripod and it be tall tall enough. This is working out really good too for my other videos, like my content videos. But this is really it. Like, I just plug all these bad boys up and just start filming, and I make sure that my phone is charged up pretty good before I start filming anything. And yeah, I just wanted to come and show you all this. Like I said, I'm going to insert a video of how everything looks. And yeah, like I said, I'll make sure I put all of the links in the description box for these lights because they were really inexpensive. I think I got these for $40. The box lights, I got those for like $40, and they're really sturdy. The box lights, they expand, they get taller, but since the chair is so short, of course I'm not gonna have them like all the way up. And I probably will try that later on, but right now, since I just got them, I'm just doing what's safe. That's right there because my phone is usually in this right here. And ignore my dirty mirror. I'm just using it so I can see myself. When I turn off all the lights and turn these lights on, it really doesn't matter. Let me show you how bright they get. Okay, so as you can see, it gets really bright, and back there I can see myself, and yeah, and all of the light is coming onto this chair. I did a test run and they look really good. Yeah, this is really all I do now. Like I said, I did just get these lights. I really wanted some lights because I feel like they make the videos look a little bit better. And I've been trying to chase daylight, so that gets a little annoying. So me having these lights helped me be able to film better. But like I said, I'll leave the links for these in the description box. Hopefully they still have them up for sale. They should. They should still have them up for sale. But yeah, and I'll leave the link for the tripod in the description box also. Hey guys. Ooh,